The waters of Loch Sunart and the Sound of Mull are rich in wildlife. Curlews, seals, herons, oyster catchers, and otters all find sanctuary here, where the sea meets the land. But the underwater world is even more diverse. Moon jellies, seals, razorbills, and kelp forests, as well as plumose anemones and brittle stars, and sun stars, and anemones, and spider crabs. And there are jellies and basking sharks. And as plumose anemones open up to feed on plankton, there are scallops, sea urchins, feather stars, and spotted cat sharks. But there are also threats to this underwater world. Dredging for scallops devastates the seabed. And fish farms release dangerous toxic chemicals into the sea. And plastic pollutes the natural environment. Meanwhile, insensitive tourism can disturb wildlife. These seas are our responsibility. Let's protect them. CAOLAS, the Community Association of Lochs and Sounds, is working to protect Loch Sunart and the Sound of Mull from these threats. For more details, check our website or our Facebook page, or contact us by email.